We are starting with motion tween animation like moving a ball. For that, first of all, we have to take a oval tool from the toolbox, and in the stroke color we have to select the no color, and the fill color we can select any one color, whatever the color we want. Suppose we are taking this kind of a red color, so we have to choose the red color for that. Now we will draw a circle for that. Now we are just right click over there and we are selecting the convert to symbol option. Now we have to mention the name like a ball, and we can select the type as a graphic, and we can press the OK button. Now on the frame 30 from the timeline tag, we are pressing the F6 key from our keyboard, and we are moving a ball from the left to right side with the use of a selection tool. Now we are moving to the 15 number frame, and we are right click over there and we are selecting create motion tween. Now we are pressing the enter key, so we can see how the animation will work. And now we can also we can also do this with the another option. Now click on the file, now publish preview, and we can click on the flash option. So in this way we can also see the animation, the how our animation will work. In this way we can apply this animation. It's called as a moving a ball animation. That means we are converting a circle to square. For that we have to take a circle tool, and then we have to again repeat the steps. That means in the stroke color no color, and then in the fill color option we can choose any color. Suppose we are taking the green color for that. Now we are drawing a circle with the use of a oval tool. Now what we have to do? Now we are moving to the frame number 30 and press the F6 key from your keyboard. Now what we have to do? Now we are taking the rectangle tool, and on the frame 30 we are just drawing a square. Now we are taking the selection tool for that, and we are just removing the circle with the use of a delete key from our keyboard. Now at the 13 and the frame 1 we are hanging the circle, and at the frame 30 we are hanging a square. Now we are moving to the 15 number frame from our timeline, and in the properties option, in the tween option, we have to select the shape option from that. So we can convert it into this. We can convert the circle to the square. Now we are pressing the enter key to see the animation. Now the another step is that we have to just click on the file menu and publish preview option and click on the flash option. So in this way we can also convert the one shape to the another shape. It's called as a shape tween animation. Now bouncing ball animation. For that what we have to do? We have to just take a circle with the use of oval tool. We have to just follow the same step for that. Now we are right click over there and we are selecting convert to symbol and give the name as a ball, and we have to just select the type as a graphic and press the OK button for that. Now we are moving to the frame number 15 from our timeline, and we are pressing the F6 key. Now we have to go to the selection tool, and now we are moving our ball to the below side. Now again we are moving to this frame number 30 and press the F6 key. Now we are moving to the ball to the upper side from our this area. Then again we are pressing the at the 45 number frame F6 key, and we are moving to the ball to the below side. Now again pressing the F6 key at the timeline 60. Now moving a ball to the upper side. Now frame 75, and we are again moving the ball to the below side. Now at the 90 number frame again press the F6 key, and we are moving a ball to the upper side. Now again at the 100 number frame we are pressing the F6 key, and now we are moving a ball to the below side. Now again we have to just click on this 115 number frame and pressing the F6 key, and we are just moving a ball. Now again that 130 number frame, and just we are also moving the ball and pressing the F6 key. Now what we have to do at the in between, suppose at the 5 number frame right click and create motion tween. At the 22 number frame create motion tween. 35 number frame create motion tween. Then 65 right click and create motion tween. At the 80 number frame right click and create motion twin. We can also do this in this way. Now same step we have to follow in this way. Now press the enter key to see the animation, and again we can also follow the another step. Click on the file menu, then publish preview and select the flash button, so we can just see the animation like the bouncing ball animation with the use of that.